You can consider your mind to be a music player with three buttons. So we have a rewind button, we have a play and pause button, and we have a forward button. Hi guys, and welcome back to Mindful Vibing. It is Kriti, and today we are talking about attention. As we all know that we are living in an attention-driven economy where all of the apps that we are interacting with today are trying to take our attention, and that is how they are doing their business. So it is very vital for us to actually pay attention towards our attention, because our attention is the leader of our mind. So wherever our attention goes, our mind follows. Now you can understand this concept in this way, that you can consider your mind to be a music player with three buttons. So we have a rewind button, we have a play and pause button, and we have a forward button. So what we are doing these days, which is also a major reason of our stress and anxiety, is that we are spending our time too much on either the rewind button or the future button, that is the forward button. So on the rewind button, what we do is we go past in our memories, and we start ruminating our past, or we start reliving our past, or stressing over what already happened. If we are not doing that, then we are doing spending most of our time on the forward button, which is the future button, which actually keeps us anxious about what is going to happen in the future, in the upcoming days, or in the nearby future. Both of these things, the rewind button as well as the forward button, these things are out of our control. So since these are out of our control, but we are still actually willingly giving our time to both of these areas, this particular thing, this particular habit of ours or act of ours, is actually causing the unnecessary stress and anxiety in our life. What we need to do today is to spend our time mostly on the play or pause button, which keeps us mindful and keeps us in the present and helps us to stay in the present and live our life to the fullest. Now, how you can do it? You can do it by staying on the play and pause button using these 5 mindful exercises that I'm going to share with you today. So these exercises, this particular technique is known as 5-4-3-2-1 technique, and it is used to reduce anxiety and stress in people. And you can also include this thing in your daily schedule. In fact, you must include these 5 techniques in your daily schedule and practice it on a daily basis to actually see the changes in yourself. You will start living more in the present and stop stressing about your past or being anxious about your future. So let's get started. First thing that you have to do is you have to acknowledge 5 things around you. Acknowledge 5 things that you are surrounded by. It can be your laptop, it can be a bottle of water or a coffee mug, or it can be anything in the environment around you. So you have to acknowledge 5 things that you can see around you. The second thing that you have to do is you have to acknowledge 4 things that you can touch. So you have to touch 4 things that are around you. It can be the books on your desk, or it can be the bottle of water, or it can be anything that you're surrounded with. But acknowledge 4 things that you can touch right now. Third thing that you have to do is you have to acknowledge 3 sounds that you can hear right now. So it can be the sound of the birds chirping outside your window, or somebody playing some kind of music, or the buzzing sound of your machines, or anything. You have to acknowledge 3 things that you can hear right now. The next task is you have to acknowledge 2 things that you can smell. Now it can be anything from the smell of your hair conditioner, or your shampoos, or the body lotion that you used, or the smell of something fresh cooking in your kitchen or the nearby kitchen, or anything. You just have to acknowledge 2 smells, 2 particular smells that you can acknowledge right now. The last task that you have to do is you have to acknowledge 1 thing that you can taste right now. So you have to acknowledge 1 taste basically. It can be anything, any food item that is around you, or anything that you would like to taste right now. I usually prefer keeping dry fruits around me whenever I'm working, specifically raisin, because it is good it has a lot of health benefits to it, and it has also very interesting mindfulness exercise associated with it, which I will be discussing in the next video. So take up anything that you would like to have a taste of right now and acknowledge the taste. So do try this task, which involves 5 particular steps that you have to take care of, and you will see the change automatically as you proceed with this exercise on a daily basis. I really hope that you have learned something new. I really hope that you implement this technique and see the changes for yourself. I will be back with another video on mindful vibing. Till then, stay safe, stay creative, and stay mindful. Bye bye.